Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen how to install Xampp in Windows 10. In this video I will show you how to install WordPress website on the local host. Before proceeding, make sure that you have started Apache and MySQL. From the system tray, open the Xampp control panel and start the Apache server and MySQL. After starting the Apache server and MySQL, open the browser and go to this website wordpress.org, and you need to download the WordPress. The current version of WordPress is 5.4.1. Click on download WordPress. I will give this link in the description box. Please do check that. Once the download is finished, go to the location where you have downloaded this file and extract this folder. And in the folder, here are the files. You need to copy this folder. Right click, copy. Since we are installing WordPress on the local host, you need to open htdocs folder. Click on this PC and go to local disk C. Click on Xampp. Click on htdocs and paste the WordPress folder in htdocs. Here is the folder. Let's rename the folder name. You can give any name. I am giving the name as test. After copying the WordPress folder in the htdocs, in the browser you need to type localhost / the folder name. Here you can see that I have given the name test. So you need to type test, hit enter. Here is the WordPress setup. Before proceeding to WordPress setup, first we need to create the database. So open phpMyAdmin localhost / phpMyAdmin. Hit enter and create the database. To create the database, click on databases and give the name. I always give the database name similar to the website name. Here you can see the test database. You can give any name, and after that click on create. You will get a message database created. After creating the database, we need to create a user. So you need to click on privileges. By default there will be root as a default user. If you want to add a new user, you can click on add user account. Give the username test host localhost, password 123 for demonstration purpose 123, and after that you need to grant all the privileges. Under global privileges, click on check all, and after that click on go. Now here you can see that you will get a message, you have added a new user. Now let's go to the WordPress setup. Select the language. I am selecting English. Click on continue. Click on let's go. Here you need to give the database name and the username. I have given the username also as test, and enter the password which you have set. In my case it's 123. Always try to give the database host as localhost. After that, if you want to change the table prefix, you can add anything. I generally leave it as WP. Click on submit. Run the installation. Give the site title. Username. Give the username of your choice and the password as admin. Once you give the weak password, it will give you a message. For demonstration purpose, I am giving the weak password, but if you are creating the website, give a strong password with a combination of small letters, capital letters, numbers and symbols. Since I have given the weak password, you need to check confirm use of weak password, and after that you need to give the email ID. If you want to index your website to the search engines such as Google, Bing, Yahoo, you need to uncheck this option and click on install WordPress. If you have done everything correctly, you will get this message, success, WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. You need to enter the username and password again. Click on login and enter the username and password. I have given username as admin. Click on login. Here is the dashboard of WordPress. Let's see the front end or the home page. At the top left, when you mouse over on the website title, you will get the option visit site. Click on that. And here is the front end of the WordPress installation. This is the default template of WordPress, so it is looking like this. You can customize it. I will make a separate video on how to customize. And now let's go to the dashboard. Mouse over on the website title and click on dashboard. You will go to the backend. If you want to change the theme, click on appearance, click on themes. Here are 3 default themes. You can select any one. If you want to add new themes, you need to click on add new theme and you can continue. So that's it guys. In this way you can install WordPress website on a local host, that is Xampp, on a Windows 10 operating system. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.